Hi everyone, Peter Lisiaga here with another daily motivational minute, and I want to share with you just living with this idea of unlimited possibilities. In Forbes magazine, an article said that almost all of today's new fortunes are based not on hard assets but on ideas and organizing principles. There is no doubt that ideas and information are increasingly responsible for driving the world economic engine. Creating wealth is all about providing as much value as possible to as many people as possible. Up until recently, that meant mainly digging things out of the ground, putting things together in factories, growing and processing food and fiber, moving all this stuff around, and supervising all those people who are doing this work. Now, as we develop highly automated systems for doing the digging, the assembling, the growing, and the moving, a far more powerful way of creating wealth has emerged. Information technology can vastly increase the value of almost any productive activity. No longer is the family doctor limited to serving just those children within driving distance. Now they can share their expertise and knowledge on DVDs or by video via the internet, or publish an electronic newsletter and extend their influence and their experience globally. No longer is the backyard barbecue chef limited to providing value just for those in his neighborhood. Now he can publish his fajita recipe on the internet, host a cable TV cooking show on YouTube, or provide consultation to restaurants worldwide via email. We live at an incredible time. Your expertise, your knowledge, your passion, your principles can be translated into real and meaningful value that can enrich the lives of people around the world, including your own life as well. No matter what your job title is, success in today's world is based on ideas, passion, expertise, knowledge, and concepts, and is limited only by your own imagination. So today, live your life with unlimited possibilities and know that it is limited only by your imagination. Create your most defining moment right now. Until next time, take care.